You check your phone over morning coffee. Another $2,300 just landed in your account. The crazy part? You didn't write a single word this month. No late-night editing sessions. No begging for backlinks. Just an AI-powered money machine humming along while you slept. I'm about to show you the exact system that's printing $10,000 a month for bloggers who've cracked the code. And the best part? You can steal this entire blueprint and have your first AI-generated post live before bedtime tonight. Introduction: the new rules of blogging. Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She spent 3 years grinding on her food blog, barely making $500 a month. Then she discovered AI blogging. Last month, $200. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. The blogging game has changed. Google now rewards well-structured AI content. Pinterest craves AI-generated pins, and sponsors will pay $1,500+ for AI-researched posts. Over the next 20 minutes, I'll walk you through the 5 pillars of AI-powered blogging success. This isn't theory, it's the exact system I've used to build 17 profitable blogs. Ready to turn your blog into a 24/7 money printer. Step 1. The AI writing revolution. Picture this. You give an AI one simple command, and 48 hours later that post is ranking #1 on Google. Here's how it works. First, we use a secret research tactic, feeding the top 5 Google results into Claude AI with this command. Find every weakness in these articles, missing statistics, poor examples. I want gaps we can exploit. Then comes the magic. We paste this into ChatGPT. Write a 2,500-word masterpiece that's 3x better than these competitors. Include German case studies, expert quotes with academic citations, and comparison tables. Make it so valuable readers would pay $50 just to read it. But here's where most fail. We add the human touch. 2 personal stories, 1 controversial opinion, and we run it through originality.ai until it scores under 5% AI detection. The result? Content so good, Google thinks it was written by a team of PhDs. Step 2. Traffic on steroids. Now let's talk about flooding your blog with visitors while you binge-watch Netflix. We start with Pinterest, but not the way you think. Canva's AI designs 30 stunning pins per month with prompts like professional pin for best coffee machines, minimalist, gold accents, German aesthetic. Tailwind's AI then bombs them across Pinterest at the exact moments German moms are scrolling during breakfast. Next, we unleash the German forum hack. ChatGPT writes 10 helpful expert comments daily for gutefrage.net and chefkoch.de. Things like, as a coffee machine specialist, I'd recommend checking this guide. Link. It saved my bakery $3,000 last year. The result? 3,000 to 5,000 targeted visitors per month, without paying a cent for ads. Step 3. The money machine. Here's where it gets exciting. We build a 3-layer money system. Layer 1 is affiliate marketing, but with an AI twist. Our tools analyze 50+ products on idealo.de and price.de, then generate comparison tables with Bester Preis Leistungssieger and Premium Auswahl, converting 3x better than generic top 10 lists. Layer 2, digital products. ChatGPT writes a $27 ebook, Kaffee Automate Wartung 50 Checklisten for Hausmeister in 2 hours flat. Pictory AI turns it into a 97-hour video course overnight. Layer 3 is the golden ticket. Local sponsorships. AI finds 50 German businesses in your niche and sends pitch-perfect emails. Sehr geehrter Herr Müller, unser Guide hat 12.000 Leser Monat. Möchten Sie als Premium-Partner erscheinen? On 500.000 Monat. Suddenly, you're not just making money, you're building an empire. Step 4. Scaling to 20K plus. Now let's shift gears and talk about scaling to 20,000 a month. We start by turning your blog into a content factory. ChatGPT batch writes 30 posts a month. Jasper.ai localizes them for Austria and Switzerland. The WordPress API auto-publishes everything while you're at the beach. Next, we hire 2 German VAs at $15 per hour, not to write, but to insert affiliate links, moderate comments, and keep old posts updated. And because we're smart, we use AI to generate bulletproof legal pages, Impressum, DSGVO cookie banners, affiliate on-disclosures, all in perfect German. The timeline? Months 1 to 3, build the foundation, 2-5K. Months 4-6, scale content, 5-10K. Months 7 plus, add new niches, 10-20K. Step 5. Winning the German market. Here's the secret sauce for German success. Language precision. We use DeepL for translations so perfect, readers think you're a native speaker. No awkward do in business content, just crisp professional German. SEO warfare. We target test and Vergleich keywords like our lives depend on it. Optimize for mobile DE searches. Dominate the snippets. Payment psychology. Offer CPA direct debit. Highlight Kauf auf Rechnung. These small touches boost conversions by 37%. Cultural triggers. We focus on reliability over hype. Use Made in Germany badges. Feature real German case studies. This isn't just blogging, it's a German-targeted money missile. The AI blogging gold rush is peaking in 2025. The question is, will you be mining gold or watching from the sidelines?